You use a computer every day, but do you know what's really inside it? Let's start. A monitor is an electronic output device with a screen that displays visual information such as text, images, and videos generated by a computer. A keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, and symbols into the computer. It is our main typing tool. A mouse helps us point, click, and move objects on the screen. It makes navigation quick and easy. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes instructions and controls all activities of the system. RAM is the computer's short-term memory. It stores data temporarily while the computer is running, so tasks work faster. The motherboard is the main circuit board. It connects all parts of the computer so they can work together. Storage is where data, files, and software are kept permanently, even when the computer is switched off. A GPU handles graphics and visuals. It makes games, videos, and designs run smoothly and look better. The power supply provides electricity to all computer parts so the system can run.